We should conserve and protect our natural resources. Should we conserve and protect our natural resources? It is done. Fighting is no use. The truth is, it is the end for everyone. My friend, you are wrong to think that there's still hope. In the world full of impotent people, let yourself do what others do. Protect and care for the environment? Do not. It is a foolish thing to do not to be practical in using natural resources. The population is continuously increasing, so it is hard for us to conserve and protect what God has given us, while our lives is in a tilt, diving to survive. Earth can punish, but why to effort? Earth always protect man, while man do not protect earth, persuading me to cover that there's something good in people conserving environment. Because when you zoom in the heart of humans, earth is a pretty evil place, maintaining the nature of earth. Is the nature essential? It is not. Humanity's problem is the nature. Destruction of environment is a norm, and no longer we can be said that you and me care for the nature's future. Our generation is pathetic and indolent. It is a crazy thing to presume that there will always be a rainbow after the rain. This is what I know. Now I believe my world will turn upside down when I realize it will continue to fade anyway, and no one cares on what we really do. No one cares on what we really do. It will continue to fade anyway. And when I realize, my world will turn upside down. This is what I know. Now I believe there will always be a rainbow after the rain. It is a crazy thing to presume that our generation is pathetic and indolent. You and me care for the nature's future, and no longer we can be said that destruction of environment is a norm. Is the nature humanity's problem? It is not. Is the nature essential? Of course. Earth is a pretty evil place maintaining the nature. Because when you zoom in the heart of humans, there's something good in people conserving environment, persuading me to cover that man do not protect earth, while earth always protect man. But why to effort? Earth can punish. Our lives is in a tilt diving to survive. It is hard for us to conserve and protect what God has given us while the population is continuously increasing. So be practical in using natural resources. It is a foolish thing to do not to protect and care for the environment. Do not let yourself do what others do. in the world full of imprudent people. There's still hope, my friend. You're wrong to think that it is the end for everyone. The truth is, fighting is no use. It is done. We should conserve and protect our natural resources.